Yan ang kilaw tayo ng malaking isda. You know? Yan. Tinanggal natin yung balat. Hiwa-hiwa na natin yung kinilaw natin. Yan o.
Wala, kami nakaya pa rin.
Di mo. Tinan mo, taba niya no?
Tabangan niya na. Dagan mo.
Wala na tayo ano eh.
Yun o, sarap din yan siguro. Yung isa din yan natin eh.
Isa lang yun.
Ha?
Babagan natin.
Oo,
Maray
okay.
ko yun no?
Ay, hindi.
Sarap nito. Taba-taba ito. Yan, kinilaw natin. Bigyan mo natin ito sa suka para matanggal yung lansa niya.
Video ka pa.
Sana maka-attend ako sa Champions League. Yan, lagyan natin itong mga ingredients natin. Yan. Kondo pipino. Pero wala akong practice ko eh.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Yan eh.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Yan, lahat ng ingredients oh, punong-puno.
I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
Lagyan ng limon. Grabe, wala hindi na ito
Don't wanna
ano.
overthink it, baby. It's just me. Baby, you give me ice and
Lagyan
fire.
natin ito ng magic syrup para magandang laban.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my
Lagyan
appetite.
ng suka sa katas.
Don't leave me here high and dry.
Kapil mo.
Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
Dahil na driver, ang luwag.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh,
Ano yung suka natin? Ang bira. Yung natin ang suka. Bayan.
baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me